Today, I want to talk about how Amul, one of India's most popular dairy brands, used videos to become the taste of India. But before we jump into that, let's talk about why videos are the ultimate secret sauce for building a brand. Videos are like magic. They combine pictures, sound, and storytelling all in one. And guess what? Our brains love that combo. They help us remember things better and make us feel connected to the story. Imagine reading a long, boring book about your favorite superhero, or watching an action packed movie where they save the day. Which one would you enjoy the more? I bet it's the movie. That's because videos are like a shortcut to our imagination. Let's talk about how Amul used his video magic to become the taste of India. Amul is known for his delicious butter and other dairy products. But back in the day, not everyone knew about them. So Amul came up with a brilliant idea. They started making catchy and funny ads, like mini movies that were shown on TV. These ads featured a cute little girl named Amul who would always have something witty to say. People loved her. In these ads, Amul didn't just tell you their butter was tasty, they showed it. And the videos made people laugh and think about butter and even crave it. And guess what happened? More and more people started buying Amul butter because it was not just butter, it was fun. Now, how you can use the power of videos to share something you love or even build a brand. Here are the 4 points you need to keep in mind. Create videos that are relevant to your audience. What are they interested in? What problems do they have? Create videos that help them solve their problems or learn new things. Make your videos engaging and visually appealing. Use high quality visuals and sound. Keep your videos short and to the point. People are more likely to remember your brand if you can tell them a story. Your videos can be about your product or service, but they should also be about the people who are going to use it and the problem it solves. Be consistent. Upload new videos on a regular basis. This will help you to stay on the top of the mind of your audience. Remember, the key is to have fun, be yourself, and tell a story that people will remember. And who knows, maybe one day you will create something as iconic as Amul's little girl. If you want to know more about how exactly you can build a brand using videos, then join me for a call. Link in the description and in the pinned comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such exciting stories and tips.